After months of hot, dry weather, the first monsoon showers finally arrived. For Sri Lanka's Asian elephants, these early rains transformed the landscape. Fresh grasses begin to emerge, dust settles, and the cooler temperatures make feeding more comfortable. Watch this herd carefully. Even as the rain begins, they continue grazing peacefully. Light rain doesn't usually interrupt their feeding. Instead, the cooler conditions help them forage without the intense heat of the dry season. The soft evening light breaking through the clouds remind us that the seasons are changing, bringing new life to the forest. As the rain becomes much heavier, the herd starts moving back into the thicker forest. This is a common behavior. Rather than continuing in an intense downpour, elephants often use the forest canopy for shelter from heavy rain and strong winds before returning to feed when conditions improve. Every season shapes the lives of these magnificent animals, and moments like these remind us how closely they are connected to nature's rhythm.